You'll enjoy the experience here because we offer the highest quality and the fastest service anywhere in Oklahoma. Come and make us prove that. My name is Ed Vincent, and my company name is Ed's Mower Repair. What makes our company different is most companies are interested in commercial repair of the commercial lawnmowers. We're repairing homeowner mowers, and we're trying to get you back to mowing faster. We're passionate about helping our customers because no one else is working on the residential equipment. I want to get you your residential equipment and trying to get you back to mowing faster. And that's my goal, because I know you need to mow the grass. My no-brainer offer is 3-day guarantee on the turnaround or faster. If you're watching this video right now, you should call our phone number. That number is 918-299-4554. And go to our website, that's Ed's Mower Repair.